If you want to edit the transcript in the Recorder app on Google Pixel 11, once you open the Recorder app on your phone, and once you open the recording that you wish to edit, over here we're going to switch, of course, to the transcript. And what you can do now is you can press and hold your finger on the word that you want to edit. So let's say I'm going to tap here, press and hold, and then once it is selected, we have the edit word option. So we should be able to change it to something different. So let's say I'm going to switch the word just like that. We can save it, and now it is updated. Of course, besides that, if you tap on these three dots in the upper right corner, you can make the phone transcribe the recording again. And also you can search in transcripts. So if you have a very long transcript, if you want to search in it, and then of course you can use that feature. Of course, we have the speaker detection, which we should be able to. I'm not sure if we can actually change it. It seems that we cannot set up the label for the speaker, unfortunately, although we might be able to find it in here. There we go. Here we have edit speaker labels. I was very certain that it is possible to do so. So there we go. Here we can select the speaker and we can set up a name for the speaker. And also you can also split the transcription just like that. So that, for example, you can create a new speaker. You can set up the name for them. And there we go. Unfortunately, it seems that the color cannot be really changed, but we can easily customize the speaker label over here. And of course, we can save copy in case you want to save actually those changes. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.